Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Career Perspective. Today let's see how you can book your IELTS exam slot through IDP. If you are unaware, IELTS test is organized by two different entities, IDP and British Council. So now I'll be showing you how to book with IDP. First let's hit Google and let's search for IDP IELTS. The first link which you get, IELTS IDP India, that's the link you need to hit. Once you get into the website, this is what the website looks. If you are here for the first time, don't be alarmed by the sheer amount of buttons you have. On the right side, where you have register for the test, select the test type. There are two primary test types that you can give for IELTS, the computer based test or the paper and pen based test. So select whichever test type you want. If you want a detailed video about the difference between the two, I'll be posting it very soon. So for here, I'll be selecting computer delivered test. Now you need to select the test module type. You can see that we have two, academic and general. So if you're a student who is planning to do masters abroad, you need to give the academic test. So let me click on academic, and here you need to give the city where you want to give the test. For now I'll be giving Hyderabad Begumpet and hit book now. Let it load, and you can see that we have a calendar with available slots. So I'll be selecting a date and I'll be hitting book now. Before we move ahead, you can see that the price is being mentioned here, that is 14,700 rupees. Once I hit book now, it will direct me to the agreement policy page. So accept the terms and conditions. And now you can find a form asking for your primary details. So fill it as per your passport. And once you have filled your details, hit proceed. Make sure that you give your valid passport details and give your name exactly as it is in your passport. Now you need to confirm your mail ID. And also confirm your mobile number. In place of telephone, you can give any other mobile number that you have. And here enter your address. Make sure that you give your accurate address because a copy of IELTS preparation book will be sent to your home. Next, select the city you want, the state and also the zip code, and fill the other forms accordingly. Here, for the reason for the taking the test, if you are planning for the masters, then hit that for higher education extended course 3 months or more, and for any other purpose select the appropriate option. And for the last question where it asks the amount of time you have been studying English, if you have an English background, that is right from the primary school you have been studying English, then that will be 10 years plus 2 plus 4, that is 16 years approximately. So it will be 9 or more. Depending upon your situation, select the approximate time frame and hit submit. Here it is asking you to upload the first and the last page of your passport. You can upload or else you can skip this step. And when you hit next, it will be asking you if you want to send your scores directly to some universities. If you have any universities in your mind, you can select them from here. So if I want to go to Canada, I can hit Canada right here and fill the rest of the details as per the university you want to send the score to. Mind that additional fee may be applicable if you are sending it internationally. If you want, you can add a university or up to 5 as it is mentioned here, or you can skip this step. And finally, this is the confirmation page where you need to finally check all the details that you have given, and you can either edit, print, or proceed to pay. So if you have any mistakes, edit them right now, because later on it will be a huge task to make any amendments. And for now, I'll be hitting proceed to pay. You can see that we can do it either via online payment through cards or any online wallets, or even net banking or UPI IDs. So depending upon your situation and the type of payment you want to opt to, you can select from these options. And once you hit pay now, it will redirect you to the payments page. So once you pay the amount from this page, a confirmation mail ID will be sent to your Gmail, and later on a text message or a Gmail message will be sent to you regarding the date of the examination and also the time you need to be at the center. Mind that your speaking test may be on a different day from the other test, so there is a high possibility that you need to go to the center twice to give your complete test. So make sure that once you receive the date and the time message, you go through that thoroughly and prepare accordingly. So that's it from me, guys. This is how you apply for your IELTS exam. If you have any queries regarding this, please leave a comment below, and also please do like, share and subscribe the video. As you can see, I have already uploaded a few videos regarding your abroad education or GRE. So please make sure that you check out my YouTube channel, and see you soon.
Window panes lined with plastic water bottles.